Hello, and welcome for a tutorial on using functions, specifically on minimum, maximum, and average. So let's demonstrate. So let's assume that I showed you a big list on a number of people who visit the library per day. We want to know what is the day with the least number of people. To do this, we will type the equal signs first, type mean, put an open parenthesis, type the cell name, which is B2, colon, and another cell name, which is B12. Once you're done, it will give you the answer, which is 10. This way, you will find which the day has the least number of people. So, you found out that the third day has the least number of people. Now let's move on to the maximum function. Let's assume that we need to find the day that has the highest number of people visited in the library. To do this, we will need to type the equal sign, then type max, open parenthesis, and now let's click the cell and then drag it until to the end. And as you can see, it will show you that the highest number is 50. So then, you will find out that the fourth day has the highest number of people. And then lastly, the average function. Let's assume that we want to know the average number of people visited in the library in 11 days. To do this, type the equal signs, then type average, open parenthesis, click the cell and drag it to the end. And it will show you the result, which is 29.81818. Now, we will find out that in 11 days, an average of 30 people visited the library. And that's all about the 3 types of functions in Microsoft Spreadsheet. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.